Very good morning to our RANsquawk listeners and welcome to the morning briefing. So there's two main stories really from the weekend that have been paid attention to this morning. So firstly, the IMF preparing a €600 billion loan for Italy. So European markets opened quite a bit higher on the back of this. However, it has been refuted by IMF officials. So it looks like that story is untrue, and that was posted in an Italian paper La Stampa at the weekend. The other story as well is that Germany was mulling an idea to, in cooperation with other core Eurozone countries, issue joint Euro bonds. So this has been widely refuted by a lot of German officials, including Merkel, and this has now been denied again by the Ministry of Finance in Germany. So this story again doesn't look to have too much truth. Now, in terms of other news that's happened this morning, we saw the OECD release their economic forecast for the Eurozone. So it did revise down its world GDP growth to 3.4 from 4.6. Also lowered it for the US, Japan and China, and said that the Eurozone and Germany and their economies were in a mild recession at the moment. So fairly downbeat comments from the OECD, however also in positive territory in the European markets. Eurodollar is also up and cable up, and that's with quite a bit of weakness seen in the dollar index, which is down around 0.5%. In terms of the commodity market as well, we've seen WTI crude futures gain quite a bit of ground this morning, so did trade back above $100 per barrel, gained around $2.50 already this morning. However, has come off its highest levels after that OECD report. And also in terms of good news, we saw that on Friday, Black Friday was a pretty positive event and it hit new records for sales. So US stock futures looking to open quite a bit higher on the back of the good news from the Eurozone and also for that good data from Black Friday as well. Now looking ahead to the rest of the session, in terms of US data, we've got new home sales and we've also got the Dallas Fed Activity Index as well. And in terms of fixed income, we've got the Fed's outright Treasury coupon purchase. That's at the usual time of 4 o'clock London. But for me, that's it at the moment. I'll have another update for you a bit later on, but enjoy the rest of the session.